Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm very excited to show you this one method, very unique way to create a free online store without any inventory, without any products. And so without any further delay, let's get started right now, guys. So guys, this is a game changer, okay guys? This is very exciting to find this website. It is called Kit, okay? And what is Kit? Kit is a website where you can build a free online store without using any products or inventory, because guess what? You are going to be using my favorite business model to create your kits with, okay? So basically what you're doing is that you're building your little online store on this site and you get to promote other people's products, okay? So you will be using affiliate marketing for this method. And what's exciting about this is that the store that you're going to create is free, so you host it for free. You don't have to pay Shopify, you don't have to pay any other platform for hosting. All you gotta do is click sign up here on the right, or start creating a kit right here, and then you can just get going and start creating. It's not hard at all, guys. It's a lot of just point and click, and so it's very easy to create the store, okay? So how does this work? Well, if you know anything about affiliate marketing, all you gotta do is find brands and companies that have affiliate programs. So why would brands and companies have affiliate programs? It's because they want people like you and me to promote their products. So let's say you love coffee, okay? Who doesn't love coffee? And in your morning routine, you use a certain coffee maker, you use certain coffee beans, you use certain coffee mugs and things to keep your coffee warm. So there's a few things for you to recommend other people if you have an influencer place, okay? So they're saying up here, this is great for YouTubers, for bloggers, for Instagrammers, for Twitch. Anybody who has an online social media account can basically create one of these kits and start selling on their account, okay? I'm going to show you how this works though. So right here, I'm on the creators page, okay? I just clicked this button up here, guys, to get to this page. And so what is this page? This page is going to tell us how it works. So help your followers find the tools you swear by. So what is Kit? Kit is where you create shoppable collections of your favorite products grouped into kits, so your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. So all you got to do is sign up here and start creating your kit. So why Kit? Help your followers by putting all the gear they ask about in one beautifully designed place for products. So you're going to make money when they click on your store and they click on your recommended products in your kit, and when they go and buy those products, that's how you make money, guys, okay? It's your money, keep it. So free to use, keep 100% earnings on qualified purchases from your kits, okay? So more on that in a bit. So how does it work? You're going to curate in minutes. Add products to your kits with just a few clicks. It's that easy. So you're going to share everywhere. Tell your community about your kits wherever they follow you, and then you earn money. You're going to keep 100% of your affiliate revenue when somebody buys from your kit. So this is going to be more than just an affiliate link. And instead, you're going to have a store that is a bunch of affiliate products, guys, okay? So I'm just going to give you a little bit more idea of how this works first before I jump in and kind of show you. So how do I make money on kits? So most kit creators earn money via affiliate programs with retailers like Amazon, eBay, Newegg, and more. Simply put, when you join an affiliate program, you will earn commissions whenever a visitor clicks your link and goes to make a purchase from the retailer. Once you sign up with affiliate programs of your choice, there are two ways to use them on Kit. Manually paste it. So you can literally use any affiliate programs out there that you can find, and you can use it just by putting it directly into your kit. Or there's another way. If you use affiliate programs that they support, then you can save time and easily add products to your store very fast. So basically, once you have set up your affiliate ID in your monetized settings, they will apply your affiliate ID to any product that you will be adding to your store. So this is very, very powerful right here. But that limits you to how many affiliate programs that you can use with this. So what affiliate programs do you support? So if you want to use the automatic way to just add bunch of products without worrying about, getting the specific affiliate links, then you need to have an approval on these 5 different affiliate programs, okay, with these 5 companies. So if you join these affiliate programs here, then you can just put your affiliate ID into the monetized section of your profile, and then once you do that, then all the products that you add to your store will automatically be affiliated to you, okay? And then that's how you can earn. So how is Kit able to give creators 100% of earnings? I know some of you may be wondering about this, and I certainly wondered about this too. And what it is that they're just hoping and banking on people who will not have signed up to certain affiliate programs, okay? So what they're saying here is that this whole thing is free, and they're going to provide this platform for free because there's going to be some of you who are not going to put the actual affiliate link into their store, and so they're going to put their affiliate code in there. So they're just basically going to earn from anybody who is not going to set up their store properly, okay? And which is fair. If they're not, if you're not going to be responsible for your store, then they get to earn money. So that's how you have win-win, okay? So again, this was another question. Does Kit take a cut of my affiliate revenue? And this is going to be no, because they're just going to give you the platform, and hopefully some of you will not monetize it, and so they can use their affiliate IDs instead. And then so that's how they're going to hope to make money from this, okay? So I hope this works. I hope this business model works for them so that this website can last for you guys, okay? So let's see how it works, okay? I'm going to go and sign in. So you can sign in 3 ways, guys, okay? I'm going to sign in with email. So once you created your account, now I am brought to so you see now my profile is complete on the left side here, right? And now I can start building my kit. Okay, so my kit name is going to be Little Mama's Coffee Shop, since I was talking about coffee earlier. And then here you can say, you can put as many things as you want. Okay. Now add a product to your kit. So you could add it by pasting a link, meaning this could probably be your affiliate link too, guys, okay? So I'm just going to search for a product because I don't have a link right now. So I'm going to search coffee, and let's see what comes up. Look, there's coffee beans, okay? So for right now, I want coffee makers, okay? So I love these big machines, these old school machines. So I'm going to add one of these. What's your story about this product? Such a OG brewer. Add to kit. Bang, done already, guys. Okay, so let's add another coffee maker. Okay, coffee curate. Okay, so I use a curate, so I'm going to add a curate to this. So here's a curate, here's a curate. All right, I'm going to use this one, say 21st century. That's for my birthday. And then I can say, I love it. So you want to put your, it says, what's your story about this product? And I love this because you can really drive why you love this product to other people and why they must have it, okay? So you could say it saves time, you could talk about the benefits and so forth. So I have 2 items on here already. So I'm just going to be done so that you can see what this is. So gorgeous kit, ready to share. Okay, share later. Okay, you're all set. Interested in making money from your kids? Yes, show me how. So, okay, so now that I have a couple products on my store, then I need to make sure I either go to Amazon and sign up for one of these affiliate programs, or I go off to a different company to find who sells coffee makers. Let's say Target has a bunch of coffee makers that they sell, and they have affiliate programs. So you could just go to target.com, look for the affiliate program, sign up, and then just use, instead of searching for a product like you saw in the beginning, you're going to use the Target affiliate link to add the products to your store. So there was 2 choices, remember, when I was adding products to my store, and one was a link and the other one was just to search the product. So when you search the product, I'm not using any affiliate link yet, okay guys? So once you've added your products to your store, you still gotta either put your affiliate ID in here or go back to the products in your store and add the affiliate link to the store that you signed up for, okay? So that's the way to make money, okay? So now I'm gonna see how, where's my store, right guys? Where is my store? Okay, so if I just go back to view profile, then I'll get to this page where my shop is. Okay, so we'll see that this is my link. So on the top, you won't see it here. I'm gonna paste it right here. So my store link is going to be kit.co/ my user ID, which is Little Mama, and then the coffee shop itself. So actually I didn't need Little Mama's coffee shop in the name, but when you go to the actual store right here, you can see that my name is here. So it's kind of nice to have it. So that's my entire link, guys, that I can use to show other people where my store is, okay? And just to double check, let's say I'm going to share my store to Twitter. You see, this is my link. That's the same link to my shop, okay? So when you're creating your shop, just be aware of that, how your link is going to look, because you do want it to look nice, right? So you might want your username to be, maybe if it was a coffee thing, maybe a coffee related username, and then just have your shop as like best coffee products or something like that. So that you can create an URL that you don't need to like redirect, like make it shorter, use bit.ly or anything like that, because it would be just a nice clean looking link, okay? So you can share on any social media with this link. So it is very, very easy, guys, to make your own online store for free with kit.co, guys, okay? So the name of this website is kit.co. And you will notice that there is a disclosure here, and this has to be here, so don't worry about it, guys. There has to be a disclosure on your stores, okay? It is a must. So that's all. I mean, this is a very great way, guys, to be able to monetize your social media this way with a kit store. It is very fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give me a like underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I hope you really liked the kit store, and I hope you will make your own soon. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye!